Happy Teachers Day! I would like to say thank you for your kindness and cooperation to teach us for the past few years. I hope the school will grow bigger and I hope that the teachers will stay safe during the pandemic. Once again, thank you.
Wishing all my teachers Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for all your effort you have put in to make us into a better person in life. Thank you for guiding us and teaching us life lessons. Once again, Happy Teachers Day.
You have taught me many lessons in my life, but the most important lessons I have learned is how to be a better person. Happy Teachers Day!
Thank you for making us what we are today. Happy Teachers Day!
Dear teachers, thank you for being my guiding light and inspiring me to do well in my studies. Happy Teachers Day!
Thank you for teaching us all this time, and God bless you. Happy Teachers Day!
Teacher, you are our sunshine. Thank you for educating us, and thank you for your passion, kindness, and endless dedication for us. We can only be thankful for all of this. Happy Teachers Day.
All the efforts and hard works you're invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaired in mere words. We can only feel grateful for having a teachers like you. Happy Teachers Day!
Happy Teachers Day. I want to say that your teachers helped me to see how to do things in.
Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you for spending your time, energy, and love to take care and educate us. Once again, Happy Teachers